On behalf of HAZET Product Management, I'd like to introduce you today to an innovative development in the compressed air sector, the Mini Needle Striker 9035M-5. Its big brother, the Needle Scaler 9035-5, has long been an impressive solution for rust removal and cleaning on solid parts and large surfaces. With 3,200 strokes per minute, the 9035-5 effortlessly removes stubborn dirt and rust. Besides its outstanding performance, the adjustable needle cover and cold insulated handle, the tool impresses with its efficiency when used in diverse trades. Offering unique convenience, the 9035M-5 is not only suitable for gently cleaning dirty and rusty parts, one of its key strengths also lies in hard-to-reach areas. Its compact dimensions and pen shape stand it in good stead here. A special feature distinguishes the Mini Needle Striker from other commercially available tools. It uses 13 easily exchangeable needles with an extra small diameter of 1.3 millimeters. These free needles allow use in angular working areas and in cases where really fine cleaning is called for. Depending on the surface to be cleaned and degree of dirt, the power of the needle striker can be adjusted continuously via the controller. The Mini Needle Striker is perfect for use wherever rough, clinging dirt is to be removed. This includes rust, slag, scale, cement or lime. A typical application of the Mini Needle Striker involves cleaning brakes, as these have highly contorted working areas and proper maintenance is crucial to safety. Should your needles ever wear out, you can easily order replacement needles in a convenient pack of 13. Individual needles can also be replaced in next to no time. Fine needles knock dirt away thoroughly, practically and conveniently with the HAZET Mini Needle Striker 9035M-5.